Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to fix the issue where you can't catch Pokemon in Pokemon Go game. Let's get started. Pokemon Go requires a stable internet connection to work correctly. Ensure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is active and functioning. If you are using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi or vice versa to see if the issue resolves. Close the app completely, including from your recent apps, and then reopen it. This can fix minor glitches that might prevent you from catching Pokemon. If your phone's storage is full, Pokemon Go may struggle to function properly. Check your storage under settings and free up some space by deleting unnecessary files or apps. Make sure Pokemon Go is up to date. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check if there is a new version of the game. Updates often fix bugs, including those related to gameplay issues. If you are on Android, clearing Pokemon Go's cache can help. Go to Settings, tap Apps, App Management, find Pokemon Go, Storage, and clear cache. Reopen the app and try catching Pokemon again. Reboot your phone. Rebooting your phone can resolve temporary system issues that might affect gameplay. Once your device restarts, open Pokemon Go and try to catch Pokemon again. If your Pokemon storage is full, you will not be able to catch new Pokemon. Open your bag, check the Pokemon count, and transfer unwanted Pokemon to free up space. If you have been spoofing locations or performing other activities against Pokemon Go's terms and rules, you might have a soft ban. To lift it, wait a few hours without attempting to catch Pokemon or interact with Pokestops. When you encounter a Pokemon, ensure you are swiping the Pokeballs properly. Swipe gently but firmly in a straight motion toward the Pokemon. If the problem persists, try using berries or different Pokeballs like Great or Ultra Balls for higher success rate. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of not being able to catch Pokemon in Pokemon Go. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick videos.